बबूल तुम बोवो मती, पर अवगुण को देख, हाथ जलावे आग में, मति बिगाड़ो भेद. Dear Appa, faced with the negativity of someone, do not respond with negativity yourself. In fact, one must try and influence a wrongdoer in a way that his negative behavior disappears under the positive influence of the other person. Taking revenge for a wrong only serves to harm our own selves and further entangle us in the bondages of karma. सद्गुरु सेवा मैं करी, अहम भाव मत लाए, मिले तो सद्भागी बने, मन का मैला जाए. Dear Appa, to be able to serve Sadguru is one's good fortune in life. However, the one who is serving should never feel any arrogance about the fact that he has been chosen to serve the Sadguru. Such a thought process only serves to stop one's spiritual growth. Serving the Sadguru cleanses the seeker of any negativity, and the seeker transforms into a simple, pure, and sorted out individual. जड़ में पानी सींचिए, मत कर तू छटकाव, डर मत सागर देख कर बैठा गुरु की नाव. Dear Appa, Sadanand says that one should stay grounded in one's pursuit of the divine. The seeker needs to be firm on his resolve to be on the path of transcendence and to realize the omniscience within. Spiritual pursuits should not just be a formality, but be sincere and unshakable. While it may seem like crossing an endless ocean, fear not, for the invisible, infinite grace of Sadguru is like a boat that will never let a sincere seeker drown. खेल खिलौना तब करे, गुरु जब चावी दे, जगत भवई का पाठ तो पहले से लिख ले. Dear Appa, just as Paramatma is eternal and infinite, same is with this universe. The creation of this universe is the play of Paramatma, and the key to this toy is also with him. He runs this world, and inherent in the creation of this universe are its travails and ups and downs. कठपुतली के खेल में भला बुरा मत सोच, अलग भाव से देख तू, आप बाल मत नोच. Dear Appa, this world and its workings are like a puppet show and move as per the will of the divine. The world is tied down by the karma bondages and in turn manages to tie itself up further. Sadguru helps the seeker detach himself from material pleasures. He helps the seeker find freedom from his own self and discover himself. One should never berate or blame oneself over one's failures or indulge in any negative thoughts about oneself. This body and its achievements or failures are separate from the real consciousness within us. Let the consciousness not drown along with the material body and mind, which were always meant to perish anyway. Instead, focus on your spiritual progress and achieve your goals. पराधीन यह देह है, मन बुद्धि अरुकाम, होवेगा स्वाधीन जब समझे मरम सुधाम. Dear Appa, this body, mind, intellect, and its actions, karma, are not free. When you manage to discover yourself, this cycle of life and death shall be complete. This is known as liberation. Sadhguru's spiritual guidance and kindness lead the seeker to his goal, which is liberation. संसारी के वेश में रहवे राग विराग, भागे भगवा छोड़कर पावे ज्ञान सुराग. Dear Appa, Sadhguru, despite living in this world, is not a part of this world. Till the time man exists, there always will be attachments, illusions, inabilities, and detachments towards undesired responsibilities or actions. Incomplete achievements or incomplete detachments do not lead anywhere, neither to liberation nor worldly possessions. However, the grace of Sadhguru slowly resolves all these attachments and detachments. Equipped with true knowledge, the seeker attains the ultimate goal. यह जग तेरा लाड़का, लाड लड़ावे तोए, खुजला न तब तक रहे, जब से जलना होए. Dear Appa, one who understands only materialism has a lot of attachment to this world and finds it a beautiful place. However, the reality is very different. The world is just an imagination, an illusion. The attachment to it stays till the time that its reality, that it's just a mirage, comes to the fore. Once that happens, all illusions fall away and the attachment to the world fades away. A similar example would be that a man loves to scratch an itch. However, on it getting burned, he stops, getting tempted to scratch the itch. Similarly, once man realizes the true nature of this world, these attachments fall away. तन के घोड़े को कभी मत मारो चाबुक, मन की दौड़ लगाम कर घोड़ा रहे अचूक. Dear Appa, a healthy body and mind are also very important for spiritual progress. The health of mind, sensory organs, and body are all dependent on each other. The bodily functions are all controlled by the mind. One who doesn't understand this basic tenet tries to deal with the symptoms by punishing the body, although the real source of the symptoms is the mind. Physical body is mortal and will perish one day. It is tied to the nature for its actions. To be able to carry out the bodily functions well, it is the mind which needs to be brought under control. To be able to control the mind is the sign of a true seeker. Hence, as per Sadanand, do not whip the horse, that's representing the body. Instead, tighten the reins of the mind to bring it under control. Free the body, train the mind. स्वर्ग नरक है कल्पना, दोनों जगत डराए, अहंकार मन नरक है, Antar Swarg Surai. Dear Apa, heaven and hell have no existence of their own. The world, however, fears both. To beget one and to escape the other becomes a constant endeavor. Although both are a net result of the actions of one's lifetime, the world keeps fearing these post death outcomes. Sadanand says that the arrogance of the mind intellect is the real hell and the experience of the divine within heaven. सुख बोए दुख होत है, दुख बोए दुख होए, आम गोठली बोए तो आम रसीला होए. Dear Apa, man reaps what he sows. Whatever be the emotion one puts into one's work is the emotion he reaps from it. He who provides happiness and kindness to others begets happiness. He who is busy making others unhappy himself becomes a victim of anger, jealousy, and hatred. Happiness and sorrow do not depend on material gains, but rather on what we have gained within. These are just two states of the mind. One who sows the seeds of a sweet mango tree gets to eat the sweet fruit eventually. वर्तमान का काल तो होवे तेरे हाथ, साधु संगत सेवके आनंद लीजे साथ. Dear Apa, time is of paramount importance in the pursuit of spiritual growth. Past and the future are mere imagination. It is but the present that is in our hands, which we can utilize to achieve our goals. Paramatma is in the present. One should seek the company of wise people to achieve the ultimate divine goal. भक्ति भाव अरु समर्पण कारण से सब होए, पर्वत से तिनका बने पीड़ भरोसा होए. Dear Apa, the seeker should surrender to the Sadguru with faith and devotion. Everything happens with the will of God and for a reason. Whoever prays to Paramatma with a true heart has all his pains and problems alleviated, whether they be physical, psychological, financial, or any pain caused by material or physical realities, which may otherwise seem huge and unsurmountable as a mountain. The seeker needs to have full faith in the divine. मैं तो तेरे साथ में नहीं अकेला कोई, तेरी बिगड़ी बन गई जागे वे सब सोए. Sadanand says that, dear Apa, Paramatma is always near within you. Without him, there is no world. It is he who will help you out of troubled waters. Those who are trapped in the Chakravyuh of life and death and karma bondages over 84 lakh lifetimes must awaken from this worldly slumber. मैं तेरा जब जल गया रहा न कोई शेष, शेष शिखर तू पा गया परम रहा अवशेष. Dear Apa, when a seeker loses all his arrogance and his obsession with I, that is when he arrives in a state where his experience of divinity begins. That in itself is the reason of creation, which is Paramatma.